Assalamualaikum, good morning, good evening, and good night to Sir Kadir and to all my fellow classmates. First is I want to say thank you because giving us this opportunity to present our case study. And now I want to introduce my groupmate. First is Anas Daniel Iqbal bin Abdul Muttalib, Muhammad Nur Zalizan bin Zainuddin, Muhammad Saiful Izuddin bin Muhammad Razali, and that is me. And last is Nur Izzati Nada binti Jaiman. And we are all from class IM 1105E. And we move to the next slide, which is background of PNM website. The official website for Perpustakaan Negara Malaysia or PNM start in 2015. Almost all type of collection in PNM are already in this website. The purpose of this website is to make user more easy and comfortable to find library materials. In 2018, PNM has changed the PNM website by adding more new features. The new features that PNM website add is Pustaka, materials from archive, digital repositories, and more. Natural business of PNM website. In PNM website, the natural business is mostly about electronic delivery of print material. This business or service that PNM provides to user a delivery printed material, and also user need to pay for the delivery fees. Second is selling books that PNM no longer needed. This business always held when PNM do a book sale festival. And the last one is user will be fined if return the library materials late. This is also the small business that PNM can do to make sure the user follow the rules.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nur Zalizan bin Zainuddin. Next is a user interface and user experience of the websites. The user interface is the interactions between humans and computers. The purpose of the UI is to allow user to control the computer and or machines they use to interact effectively. The user interface is important to ensure that every content in a website can be used and understood by user. User interface should have features such as usability, user-friendly, and efficient. The UI element consists of text, link, button, and image. The interface of the National Library of Malaysia website is very easy for user to understand. There are various features that help user to get information. The important content of the website is placed in the header section to make it easy for user to get information about PNM. And the font used are also not too complicated and compact. The site allows users to use various languages such as Bahasa Melayu, English, and others. The content arrangement is good and only places important content without any unrelated contents. The content is constantly updated to ensure that user can get the latest information from the website. While websites designed look outdated, they also incorporate some modern element to make them look attractive. User experience or UX. The user experience is a person's reactions and feeling when using a particular service. User experience related to the user interface. This is because a good user interface will give a good reaction from the user. The smoothness of the website in providing the needs of the user will provide a meaningful and relevant experience to user. Users of the National Library of Malaysia websites are general, including students and researchers. PNM always ensure that all groups can access their website. Through the website, users can get various information about PNM such as collections, activities, and the latest news. Users can also use various online services provided by PNM such as OPEC. There are also special features available for users who suffer from myopia. Users can also go through other government websites from the PNN website.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Anas Dinikbar. So I will explain the color schemas. So what is the color schemas? A color schemas consists of a mixture of colors from fine art to interior design to graphic design, used in a variety of design disciplines. So each color schema consists of one or more of the 12 colors on the color wheel. So the color is located on the PNM website. So basically the PNM website are using the three color, which is the blue light, the dark gray, and the white. So the color are located the blue light are located at the bar of the topic sentence that will balance with the font color, that the code of the blue light is the hashtag 9 DAAF to F2. So the next is at the footer, which is the dark gray. That balance with the font. The code is hash T7336. And the last but not least, color background of the page of NM uh, that with a color background of the page of NM. The code is the hash EBPA70. So next is why PNM choose only three color at their website. It is because there is simple color and make easier for audience to watching their website. So the next is the color that they choose follow the logo of the PNA itself. Uh, Means they are on they are have on meaning that for the logo. So how the color can attract the audience at their PNA website. So if you use several colors on one page, color affects all things. It will entangle or messy the viewers and the visitor will decrease by day. So the next, using the simple color and minimizing the color. Our audience will increase and the color selected by PNM has the sense of PNM itself. Next, the negation of PNM website. So what is different between mobile and desktop version of navigation of PNM website? So the difference is the desktop version is using the drop-down navigation and the mobile is using the sidebar navigation. So the design of the mobile navigation, there are no two quad and enable to visit it clearly and tidy. So the next is who can access and navigate the PNM websites. So basically the access can everyone, especially the student and research, go by finding the materials. That's the staff of PNM itself and the PNM IT department for any improvement and updating on their website. So the next is where can visitors find the navigation bar on the PNM website? So we can look for the navigation bar that desktop at header website. Once they open up the website and mobile phone can find at the right side of the website. So when the visitor should use navigation bar, when the visitor should use the vision bar by the access every time that they want. So next, the visitor will want to searching and finding the materials. So why does the PNM website need the navigation? So the PNM website need the navigation to promote and encourage and enable to user to accomplish the objective of the PNM itself. and it can make more easier to visitors to finding what they need without any problem. So, how can visitors use navigation to find the information? Once open up the website, click the navigation bar and it will provide the information that users want to find it because the information in PNM are usually complete with full information. So the next is it make easier for user to find the information. They just click at the button of the navigation to the next page of the page that user want to searching it. Okay, next we go through to the content of the PNM website. So what is the main content of PNM website? So basically the PNM they are collect all the online materials such as books, journals, newspapers, magazines and others to present to our audience in their website. Because it is to spread the information about the PNM activities and the collection of the materials in PNM website. So why PNM website use add the content on their footer is because of the author wants the audience to follow the PNM social media to follow up their activities that can attract audience to follow it, such as the webinar, uh, activities that outdoor or make the audience to follow it and to and for any question regarding of PNM or any appointment, just contact us. So next, when is the time that PNM need to update their website? So the time that PNM need to update is the when the PNM have their new updating of the materials and they want to promoting their activities and program that will participate by the visitors. So where the content in PNM website came from? The content in PNM website came from the Perpustakaan Negara Malaysia itself because the PNM are the national library that are preserved and served to all the library in Malaysia. So all the library get the information that has been direct according to the guideline that set by PNM. So book is possible in making PNM website newsworthy and optimize the content in everything. So PNM IT department especially who are responsible to manage the website is possible in making PNM website. So how the content affect to our users? So the users can be more alert about important date. For example, alert about the final date of loan the book to the PNM. Next, the user can alert of the activities and the information in PNM website. For example, alert about the activities such as webinar, library talk and other by using the Zoom apps. And the users also can alert the news materials that they want to purchase it. For example, the vendor open the new materials at the website. So the users can purchase using all the method by delivering the book to the home. So we go to the next topic.
Lastly, conclusions. In conclusions, through this case study can be seen the importance of websites in disseminating information to users. Every website has its advantage and disadvantage in delivering content to users. A good website is not just about a design and functionality. However, a good website should have a content that is able to provide everything that user wants. Every content provided should be accurate and easy for user to access. The National Library of Malaysia website is very good at presenting their content and easy to use. There are various functions available. It's easier for user to access certain content. The content they convey is very complete from introductions, collections, service and so on. They are also regularly update its content to ensure that users get the latest information. They also do not exclude disabled users by putting the special features that can be used. But there are also some improvements that can be made in terms of designs, content arrangements, and color uses. This is to ensure that users are more interested in browsing the PNM website. Thank you from our group.